What's up and welcome. My name is Josie and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieve this no makeup look, and if you like this video please subscribe. Okay, so I use a BB cream in the warmer months. It's not as heavy as a regular foundation. It also has a lot more skincare benefits that are great if you're going to be exposed to the sun more. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and start blending my BB cream. It's very covering, but it's still very hydrating. I think it's perfect for the summer months. And as always, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I use the shade Porcelain. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend in with my beauty blender. So I'm gonna go in with the Mercier Setting Translucent Powder. And I'm gonna go ahead and use Kylie. This is in the shade Toasty. I'm just gonna go in with my angled brush, bronzing on my contour. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush by Milani, and this is called Dolce Pink. It adds a nice little shine also, and I love adding a little bit to my nose too. The tip of my nose. I'm gonna move on to my eyes using a semi-compact brush. The same bronzer that I use, and I'm gonna underline my eye, keeping it close to the lash line. Same thing on this side. Using a fluffier brush, I'm gonna go in again with the bronzer to add some dimension on my crease and the outer edges. Just like that. Next thing that I'm gonna do is my brows, and for the summertime I like to keep it pretty light. Mini Gimme Brow by Benefit, and I'm just gonna brush this through my brows, and this is shade number 3 that I'm using. Now I'm gonna use my setting spray to lock everything in, the Milani Make It Last spray, and I'm just gonna set my whole face. Per usual, I'm gonna go in with my Kylie pigmented highlighter in the shade Fiji, and I'm just gonna use the top of my fan brush. I'm gonna go under the brow, Cupid's bow. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes before I put on my mascara. Lash Slick by Glossier. And just to add a little bit more definition to my lash line, I'm gonna go in with a dark brown liner. So I will be using Pixie, the Silky eye pen, in order to fill my lash line. And this is in the shade BlackCaviar, which is super pretty shade. Okay, so now that I have my lashes done, last but not least, I'm gonna move on to my lips. So this is the ultimate LA Girl liner that I'm going to be using, and it's in the shade Nonstop Nude. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. I'm going to go in with my tinted moisturizer. Has a little tint to it. A lip gloss. And this is by NARS. It's a lip oil and it's in the shade Orgasm. Alright, and this completes the look. It's super cute, easy summer glow. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, you guys.